Excavator and heavy equipment synthetic.
Army helicopter.
Army helicopter. The Army helicopter is a versatile aircraft used for military transport, reconnaissance, and combat operations.
Excavator demolition. Excavator demolition.
An excavator demolition machine is designed for tearing down buildings and structures safely. It often features specialized attachments like hydraulic shears and breakers for efficient demolition work.
Excavator amphibious. Excavator amphibious.
An amphibious excavator is designed to operate in waterlogged and swampy environments. Its floating undercarriage enables it to work in areas where standard excavators cannot. Tower crane. Tower crane. A tower crane is a tall, fixed crane commonly used in high-rise construction projects. It has an extended boom and counterweights, allowing it to lift heavy materials to great heights. These cranes are essential for building skyscrapers, bridges, and large infrastructure projects.
Mining truck. Mining truck.
The mining truck is a massive off-road dump truck used for hauling large quantities of ore and rock in mining operations.
Monster truck. Monster truck.
The monster truck is a heavily modified off-road vehicle with large tires, designed for extreme stunts and competitions.
Garbage truck. Garbage truck.
The garbage truck is a waste disposal vehicle equipped with compacting mechanisms for collecting and transporting trash.
Ladder truck. Ladder truck.
A ladder truck is a firefighting vehicle equipped with an extendable ladder for reaching high-rise buildings. It is essential for rescue operations and firefighting in tall structures.
Utility truck. Utility truck.
The utility truck is a service vehicle used for maintenance, repairs, and field operations in various industries. Wheel loader. Wheel loader. A wheel loader is a powerful construction machine used for loading and transporting heavy materials such as gravel, sand, and debris. It is equipped with a front-mounted bucket that can scoop and move materials efficiently. Wheel loaders are widely used in construction, mining, and agriculture.
Passenger airplane.
Passenger airplane. The passenger airplane is a commercial aircraft designed to transport people across domestic and international routes.
Concrete mixer truck. Concrete mixer truck.
A concrete mixer truck transports fresh concrete to construction sites while continuously mixing it. It ensures that the concrete remains workable until it is poured. These trucks are essential for large-scale building and infrastructure projects.
Airport fire truck. Airport fire truck.
The airport fire truck is a specialized firefighting vehicle designed to handle aviation-related emergencies with high-capacity water cannons and foam systems.
Dragline excavator. Dragline excavator.
A dragline excavator is a large-scale digging machine primarily used in mining and heavy excavation projects. It features a long boom with a bucket that is dragged along the ground to scoop up materials. This type of excavator is essential for large-scale earthmoving and open-pit mining operations.
Off-road truck. Off-road truck.
The off-road truck is built for rough terrain, featuring high ground clearance and reinforced suspension for challenging environments.
Multipurpose helicopter.
Multipurpose helicopter. The multipurpose helicopter is a versatile aircraft designed for various missions, including transport, rescue, and military operations.
Snow plow truck. Snow plow truck.
The snow plow truck clears roads by pushing away accumulated snow using a large, heavy-duty blade. Truck. Truck. A truck is a heavy-duty vehicle designed for transporting goods, materials, and equipment over long distances. Trucks come in various types, including pickup trucks, delivery trucks, and semi-trucks. They are essential for industries such as logistics, construction, and agriculture.
Tank truck. Tank truck.
The tank truck is a specialized vehicle designed to transport liquids such as fuel, chemicals, or water.
Police helicopter.
Police helicopter. The police helicopter is an aerial law enforcement vehicle used for surveillance, patrol, and rapid response. Forklift truck. Forklift truck. A forklift truck is a compact industrial vehicle used for lifting and transporting heavy loads in warehouses, factories, and construction sites. It is equipped with forks that can be raised and lowered to handle pallets and other materials efficiently. Forklifts come in different sizes and power sources, including electric and diesel models.
Fighter aircraft.
Fighter jet. The fighter jet is a high-speed military aircraft built for air-to-air combat and tactical missions.
Excavator Magner. Excavator Magner.
An excavator magnet is an attachment used to lift and move ferrous metal materials. It is widely used in scrap yards, recycling plants, and demolition sites.
Delivery truck. Delivery truck.
The delivery truck is a cargo vehicle used for transporting goods, packages, and parcels for businesses and logistics companies. Combine harvester. Combine harvester. A combine harvester is a large agricultural machine used to efficiently harvest grain crops such as wheat, corn, and rice. It combines multiple farming operations, including cutting, threshing, and winnowing, into one process. This machine significantly increases productivity and reduces labor costs in modern farming.
Cargo helicopter.
Cargo helicopter. The cargo helicopter is a transport aircraft used to carry heavy loads and equipment over short or difficult terrains.
Dump truck. Dump truck.
The dump truck is an industrial vehicle with a hydraulic bed used for transporting and unloading construction materials.